Hello everyone, welcome to GEPL Pro Market app. Today we are going to see how to add funds in our GEPL Pro Market. For that, first you'll need to log in with your client ID and your password. After logging in, you will be taken to the Market Watch page. Once you are at the Market Watch page, you'll find 5 icons down below. Request you to click on your client ID. Once you do that, you'll find the funds option. Once you click on funds, you'll find add funds option, wherein you'll get to add the specific amount of funds that you need. After clicking on add funds, it will take you to another page. Request you to add the amount, for example 100. After adding the amount, you'll need to select the payment mode. Request you to use a UPI option since our net banking charges being gateway fees charges and a GST charges. Once you select the UPI, put in your UPI ID. Once your ID is verified, we request you to go ahead with our HDFC Bank since the convenience fees is free, but for Razorpay you will be charged 2 rupees. After that, request you to click on continue. Now you will receive a mandate on your UPI, and after accepting the mandate, the page will continue and then your funds will be added. Now we'll look at how to withdraw funds. For that, you need to go to the funds option and then click on withdraw. After clicking on withdraw, your max payment amount would be flashed to you. Accordingly, you can select the payout amount. Put in your payout amount. Select the specific bank that you need the payout in. Remarks if optional. Request you to proceed in order to process the payout. Thank you for joining us.